I'm Marek with shelfclips.com, where safety is our priority. Today we'll be talking about replacement clips for United Steel Products pallet racking. Now, as you can see, I have two different models of USP racking. On my right is the older style, on my left is the newer style. And as you can see, there's two different types of clips. With the older style, it is a spring type clip, like so. On the newer model, it is a plunger type clip. So you can't get these clips anymore, but we do have a solution for a replacement. That is our universal pallet rack drop pin. Now, I can't show you precisely where it goes, but behind these clip is a connecting hole where you would simply drop this pin in to replace the damaged or lost clip on each one. For more information on our shelf clips inventory, you can visit our website at shelf-clips.com. Let us help you make your warehouse safety simple.